afternoon guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to another video for Advanced in Cars YouTube channel. So today we have been working on this 2018 T6. This customer's driven a long way down to see us, has been following us on social media and especially YouTube for quite some time, so knows what we do, how we do it, etc, etc. But we have certainly been faced with a challenge today because we have fitted the Lazer Lights Triple-R 750, the Elite model, onto this bumper because it's the ABT grille and bumper. Lazer Lights don't do a fixing kit for it, and have said to the customer, look, this is not compatible, so you either have to downgrade the grille or don't fit them. Well, we like a challenge, and Richard's been working hard on this challenge all day, and we've come up with a pretty nifty compromise. If you were to get in there with a pair of glasses, then yes, you're going to see little bits and pieces that you could pinpoint and say, well, that, you know, could have been neater if it wasn't an ABT grille. But realistically, what you're dealing with here is the ABT grille is a cosmetic plastic part fitted on top of the original factory part. It's not a standalone grille. So you've then doubled up on the layers of the plastic. So where the original factory grille gets cut down with the template and the spacers, and then you fit the 3D printed guides over the top, what Richard's had to do is then cut them both down and then whittle down the outer part of the gloss black ABT grille to allow for the 3D printed bits to go over the top. Now, we've liaised with the customer all day, who's been sat in our customer lounge, and we're just waiting for the Sikaflex to go off, because what Richard's had to do on the back end of this grille is where he's cut the two pieces of plastic, and to allow the mounts to go and fix solidly, he's then backfilled with Sikaflex. Now, you know, we're 100% transparent on what we do. It's the reason why we sleep at night, and the reason why we're successful is because we're dead honest with people. If Lazer Lights tell you this can't be done, then we always like to see if we can do it. But of course, we don't have a magic wand in this situation, and Richard's been working hard on this all day. It's not only been in for the Lazer Lights, it's also been in for the Webasto parking upgrade, which Owen's been working on. So if you don't know what that is, it's basically these vans come with a diesel auxiliary heater fitted from factory. There's no way of accessing it unless you have a remote control fitted, which is what Owen's been doing. The heater has to be unlocked using an online program, and now the customer's got a little Webasto remote. So tomorrow morning, if it's freezing cold, from the comfort of his kitchen, he can turn on the remote control and come out and have a nice warm toasty van, and that's what the Webasto stuff does. But there's plenty of videos on our YouTube channel for you to follow and have a read of that if you've got a transporter and it's already fitted from factory. But going back to the Lazers, like I said, this is the Elite model. So the Elite is the most expensive out of all of the laser kits. It's the longest and widest beam throw or light output, and we have fitted it today in this ABT grille. Richard's going to go home pretty tired tonight, especially with the amount of measure 25 times and cut once, because, you know, at the end of the day, we don't have 2 or 3 of these grills hanging around, and when the customer comes in a minute and we hand over to him, we're going to say where we've done bits and pieces, what could have been done better. But with everything in life, you know, it's never going to be perfect on the first try. The more ABT grills that we come through, we can perfect. I mean, this is the first we've seen with the ABT grill. I'm sure there's plenty out there. You could be watching right now and saying, I want that done in my van, and I've got exactly the same setup. Owen's just going to put the ignition on. Because this is the Elite model, it doesn't have the position lights or the daytime running lights. That's only the standard. But now this has been wired into the high beam. So when you do high beam just to flash somebody, like so, you're just going to flash. That's then going to give you that light output, as well as the factory fitted headlights on here as well. Are these factory fitted or aftermarket? They look like they're factory. If you then push the high beam stalk forward, So you're driving down a country lane, that's going to give you absolutely maximum light output, and also these are on little sort of a gimbal, so you can adjust them so the beam pattern can go down or up, or one down and one up, just to give you maximum output. But it's a striking looking van, and with the Elite laser lights now fitted, it looks uber cool and very stealthy. So if you've got a vehicle like this, please get in touch with us, and website links in the bio. Keep following us on social media, and thanks for watching.